Take a ride in 2012 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, tires, rear all-season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.